Hello and welcome to another abominable math video. Well, today we're doing equations with abominable letters on each side of the equal. Now, I don't really like doing them, but I found a way with croissants which is so much better and so much more fun. So basically, imagine we're in the boulangerie. Boulangerie is where we buy croissants, okay? So the croissants will be on the left. Okay, we need to find out the price of the croissants. But anyway, let's start writing the abominable equation. 8x, this is the boulangerie, by the way. That's the boulangerie here. Okay, so we've got the croissants here, right? 8x, so 8 croissants, yeah. Plus, we'll write 2 equals 4x, I mean 4 croissants, plus 14. You might get something like this, and you might think, what am I going to do with all this, yeah? Right, what we need to do is, that's the boulangerie, boulangerie, there you go, boulangerie, where you buy the croissants. So we're going to put all our croissants in the boulangerie, okay? We've got 8 here and 4 here, all right? So we already have 8x, for 8x is, 8 croissants here. So they're staying on the left in the boulangerie. But these 4x here, they need to move to the boulangerie, okay? If you don't see a sign, it's a plus, okay? Now, the opposite of plus is minus, okay? So when you move your croissants to the other side in the boulangerie, the plus turns into a minus. So far, so good? So we've removed our croissants, and now we've got to find out how much they cost, okay? We've got 14 here. That's going to stay on the side of the money, okay? Done. And we have a plus 2 in the boulangerie. We don't want the plus 2 in the boulangerie. We want plus 2 outside because it's just a normal number, okay? So it's going to move to the right. Because it's a plus 2, when it moves to the right, it becomes a minus 2. Right. Now, that was the hardest part to do. Now, it's time to eat the croissants, okay? Okay, so 8 croissants minus 4 croissants is, everybody, correct, 4 croissants, or 4x. All right, and the money is 14, take away 2, that is 12, okay? So, now, all we have to do is remove that 4. 4 times x. Remember, if you don't see anything, it's a time, yeah? What's the opposite of time? Well, the opposite of time is division, okay? So we're going to divide 4 by 4. So we're going to still write the x and the 12, and we're going to divide by 4. To find 12 divided by 4 is 3. And all we have to do now is test everything's working. So 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 is 26, equals 4 times x, 4 times 3, which is, I hear you, 12, plus 14 is indeed 26. So that means it is totally correct. So remember, put all your x's on one side first, and then change the signs if you move them, only if you move them, and do the same with the money. Okay, so if it's already on the right side, it's fine. But if you need to move one number to the other side, you have to change the sign. Plus 2 became minus 2. Plus 4x became minus 4x, right? And when you've got all your croissants, all your x's on the left, and all your money on the right, it's much easier. And life is easy, and you can have a lovely croissant party. Yay! Party, party. Enjoy.